are here in Guatemala City, Blockchain Week, workshops, meetups, and a hackathon from Monday to Sunday. I want to take this opportunity to thank our pioneering sponsors that are helping us grow the ecosystem here in Guatemala of blockchain developers, and enterprises interested in applying blockchain and creating this transparency that we so need in this emerging economies.
Hi, my name is Lorenzo De Leo. I'm the Chief Growth Officer of Rocker. I'm in charge of the expansion of Rocker and defining new value proposition, finding new partners all over the world. And in particular, we're really active here in Latin America, so we're especially happy to be in Guatemala and supporting Blockchain Week with our friends from DT.
My name is James Wallace from Exponential, a global financial firm out of Toronto. Guatemala has an extraordinary amount of opportunity, and I think that one of our platforms, which is a digital security offering platform that essentially democratizes access to early stage investments for the founders in fundraising and for the investors to find excellent investments, there's no better place. Because of that, we're actually really excited about coming back next year. Guatemala Blockchain Week 2020 is going to be even bigger and better.
Hey, I'm Jazz Polgasso from Global Coin, and super excited to be here for Blockchain Week. Thank you for Decentralized Technologies for inviting us and having us here. It's been great. It's been great to be able to share with our partners and the other people who've been sponsoring the event, getting out the education to the people. And Global Coin, we're really happy to say that we've had a lot of growth in the last couple of years all around the region. Looking forward to the next Blockchain Week next year in 2020.
We're incredibly happy for the outcome of the first Blockchain Week in Guatemala and Central America. It was definitely a lot of events. Every day we had at least 2 to 3 events regarding blockchain. We're very grateful for everyone supporting this event, and specifically, of course, not just the speakers and the attendees made this happen, but also our sponsors, Claro, Exponential, Rocker, Soul, Global Coin, and everyone that made it. We are really thankful for it. We appreciate, and this is just the beginning. This is just the first event that we're doing it, and really shows how Volcano Summit has gone a long way of doing not only one event, but actually doing more events that have to do with technology, the latest innovation around the world, bringing it to Guatemala and the region.
Hi, I'm Rafa, co-founder in Decentralized Technologies. We are closing today the last day of Blockchain Week, DT Blockchain Week in Guatemala, the first Blockchain Week ever in Central America. We had an awesome day of workshops today. Germán Montoya and Lorenzo De Leo from Rocker joined us. They talked about innovation at the leading edge and how startups can build great teams. And then we had an awesome conversation and workshop with James Wallace from Exponential Ventures. He talked about DSOs, digital security offerings, this new mechanism of raising capital in the blockchain world. We hope to continue doing these events next year. I hope you can join us. We will be talking about blockchain as blockchain progresses more, leaving the concept of technology and moving toward how it can transform the world. Thank you.
Thank you, DT, for inviting us to work with you and collaborate with Mosto. We love to see how collaboration brings together an amazing opportunities for our Guatemala and our region. So think global, act local, but I love how we're working together.